named it earlier. Now its name is low cost secure e-voting through SMS and fingerprint recognition. Now presentation plot. Now what I have to present here is ideology. What's the idea behind this whole system? What is current dilemma? What's happening today for voting? What is proposed solution which I have proposed for this system? And commercial use of this project. Ideology. Since we are living in a democratic state and we have to cast our vote after 5 years or 2 or 3 years in Pakistan, we face usually very corrupt atmosphere at polling booth, and what's the main idea is to remove all such corruption, all errors from there, increase election strength, encourage people to cast their vote so that they have faith over Election Commission Pakistan. Next, and provide cheap solution for the general public. This is current dilemma. Person enters, this is suppose there is polling going on in this very room. Person entered in the room, he went to the presiding officer, marked it on the page, even on his finger. Then he came to the national election presiding officer, provided him 2 ballot papers, National Assembly and Provincial Assembly. He marked those pages and then moved towards the place where he placed those ballot papers and moved outside. Now, in each and every step in this whole scenario, there is total chance of error, corruption, or anything you can say. One can compel voters to cast a vote to some specific candidate. So how to remove all these error and all this corruption from this system? We proposed one solution, that is, there are 2 databases, NADRA and PDA databases. Both of them are synchronized together such that a person who casts his vote through SMS, since we are providing 2 solutions, using SMS, person can cast his vote through SMS or through fingerprint recognition. If he is casting his vote through SMS, then he will not be allowed to cast his vote through fingerprint. This is security. No one can cast his vote through fingerprint recognition. If he casts his vote through fingerprint, then he will not be allowed to cast his vote through SMS, vice versa. This whole methods occur. If person is marked in PDA database, he will be marked also at NADRA database, and at NADRA database, if he is marked, then he will be marked in the PDA database. There are 2 sides of this project, what? Client side and server side. At server side, there are both databases in which he is being marked if he has casted his vote earlier or not casted his vote. If he casted his vote, then he will not be allowed to cast his vote again because he is being marked there. If he tries to do so, then he will be punished or will be done by something, police would be there or rangers would be there, he will be obtained by camera monitoring software which we have given to server where administrator is sitting. If any corruption occurs there, that is someone is trying to compel someone to cast his vote, then administrator will stop the polling at then and there. Further, we are providing English GUI, Urdu GUI for general public so that they can cast their vote easily. Auto shutdown method is there, that polling starts from 8 AM to 8 PM, then polling will be stopped at this way. If person casts his vote through SMS, he will be sent by the confirmation SMS, and this system is confirmed. Security is there because no one is able to cast your vote, or you are not allowed to cast any other's vote, even if you have NIC card of that very person. Commercial value at e-commerce, you are you know very well, easy load, easy paisa, and now easy billing is there. So why not easy polling there? Okay, voting in Chamber of Commerce, we do know in courts we always face voting is there after every 1 year or 2 years in courts and Chamber of Commerce. Attendance systems are there, and security system, home automation systems even are there for which we can use our fingerprint impression system. So these are some commercial values. There could be a lot of others, but so far we have this. Now that's all from my side. Thank you.